Hello guys, I am Kalidas Sapada. Welcome to Quality and Welding Metallurgy. Today we are discussing welding piping joint of austenitic chromium nickel stainless steel. Joint design. There are several factors that must be considered when design edge preparation for austenitic stainless steel weld pipe joint. Since these steel have a thermal expansion about 50% greater than that of carbon steel, the corresponding weld shrinkage is greater. In addition of this steel have thermal conductivities less than one half that of carbon steel. This factor makes shrinkage and distortion matters of major consideration. To control the effect of shrinkage and distortion, joints to be welded should be designed to require a minimum amount of weld metal. In general, butt joints without backing are welded using a root opening of about 332 inch 244 mm after tack welding. Because of effect of weld shrinkage, opening this size may be excessively reduced during the process of welding. This can be prevented by using a wider opening or by in process grinding. For wall thickness greater than 3/4 inch 19 mm, U-groove may be used to reduce the width across the weld face. The design will keep the amount of weld metal to minimum. Distortion may be controlled by balancing the sequence of root pass and placing equal amount of root bed on opposite side of the pipe until the root is completed. Joint alignment should be maintained by the use of jig, fixture or tack weld. Another factor to consider in welded joint design is the use of GTAW or root pass is thick wall piping. For complete welding of wall thickness under 3/8 inch 9.5 mm. For any joint where complete joint penetration and smooth root surface counter are required. General guide for selecting of welding electrodes and rod for invisible austenitic stainless steel pipe and tube. Typical welding joint design currently used for welding austenitic stainless steel piping. Figure 1a Figure 1a show a basic joint design which has been in use since pipe assembly went from threaded and screwed joint to welded section. In some instance, the A angle 37.5 degree has been changed to 30 degree to reduce the volume of the weld metal. For better control of weld quality in the root bed through use of GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding. The root face dimension C is 1/16 inch plus minus 132 inch. The The joint design of figure 1b is recommended for wall thickness about 3/4 inch 19 mm. The A angle of 37.5 degree is maintained for 3/4 inch 19 mm. For the pipe wall, the root side, the B angle of 10 degree is used for maintain pipe thickness. The U-groove type joint design shown in figure 1c. Used where tightly butted root face are used without the addition of filler metal. This HP person is also used for some consumable insert to allow the torque across the root area. The joint design figure 1D is the same basic design as figure A. However, the root face is reduced to 0. This edge preparation is also required for some configuration of consumable insert. Figure 1E represents a transition joint between pipe of different wall thickness. The groove face may be adjusted as required for the wall thickness involved. Pipe with wall thickness under 348 mm may or may not require edge preparation depending upon service condition. Another consideration for joint design is that austenitic filler metal is generally designed to produce a crack resistant microstructure that is slightly different from the base metal. The joint design and the composition of the filler metal must be considered together to assure the well metal composition within the range of crack resistant composition. Configuration of joints. It has been determined that delta ferrite level, the well metal of 6 to 10 Fn, Fn mean ferrite number, further increase resistance to cracking. The formation of the delta ferrite is function of chemical constituent and can be controlled by addition of filler metal with an adjusted chemical composition. Small diameter thin wall pipe is frequently without the addition of filler metal. In this case, base metal composition should be considered in determining well metal crack resistivity. Crack sensitivity. Because stainless steel are used to large extent in corrosive service, pipe joint should be designed and welding procedure developed to avoid discontinuity that would promote the formation of stress concentration or create of stringent fluid that would promote concentration cell or galvanic corrosion. Consequently, well should be have complete joint penetration with as smooth an inner surface as is practical. For this reason, lap or socket type joints should be avoided where a corrosive medium is encountered. Thank you.